Hello, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Entrepreneur Forum. Today, I basically want to talk about a video. I talk about a website that I recently came across. I signed up for this website probably about 10 hours ago on the April the 15th, 2020. Um, it was approximately 8 o'clock, and I'm making this video about 4 hours afterwards. So that's just so you get the idea of how much I made during that time. We have proof that the website pays. We have proof that you can actually make money from it. The problem is how much you can make. The good thing is it doesn't require any work. All it requires is you should install it, um, leave it running while you use your computer or your tablet or your phone, and that's it. As I mentioned, the main problem is how much you can make. In a few minutes, we're going to pop over to the computer, and we're going to be exploring the website, reading what it's about, and then you're going to actually get to see how much I made, and I'm going to show you the time frame, and I'm going to show you how you can make a little bit extra by being creative. So let's up over to the website. Thank you, and remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, guys. So basically, this right here is the website. When you click the link, you'll come to this website. You can get it for your phone, your tablet, and the computer as well. Realistically, um, you have here they have here like $1.78 for the day, stuff like that. That's realistic. That is very realistic. So don't expect to make like thousands per month. That's not realistic unless you have a lot of referrals. But you can still make enough to pay your internet bill or buy gas for the month, depending on your usage or something. But it's just enough to get you by. The good thing about this is it is worldwide. So anywhere you are in the world, you could do this. If you're in a third world country, like I'm from Jamaica, I don't really like to call it third world, but that's how people would get the gist of what I'm about to say. So if you're in a third world country where a dollar US is like 150 Jamaican dollars, if I make $50 a month, that's about 6 to 7 thousand Jamaican dollars, which is good enough to get me by for a few days. So I mean that would be beneficial for me. Here in the US, $50 is still good. That's like a splurge if I have $50, a nice lunch or something. You know what I mean? It's enough to pay my internet bill. So it's definitely worth doing because it doesn't require much. I'm going to quickly browse through and show you how you can benefit from Honeygain. Basically, what it does is it shares your unused network traffic with data scientists. These scientists pay Honeygain, and Honeygain, in effect, pay you for all that you have done, all that you have shared. The more unused net traffic that you have, the more Honeygain pays you because the more you'll be able to share. Realistically, $25, 25 gigs a day is very hard, very very hard. I have three devices, and I'm anticipating that I'm probably going to be more like 10 gigs for the day because I use a lot. I play games a lot. If you don't play games and you have, your internet and stuff, you could probably get 20 a day, but I am probably more like 10. But what I'm banking on is the referrals. Um, so when I refer you, you will get $5 to start, which is great, and I will get a commission from what you would get. So all that little adds up. But basically, what I'm looking at is the fact that I can have an extra 30 to $50 a month, depending on how much I use. So yeah, 30 to $50 a month, depending on how much I use, and that will be enough to pay my internet bill and or just have a night where I can go to a nice place. I'm in the country, so a nice place would be for me just get a few burgers or something. You know what I mean? A few lunch or gas for a week. It adds up. It's passive. It doesn't take much. It's worth it to me. If it's not worth it to you, that's fine. If you're outside the US, it's even more beneficial. So definitely look into it. Unused network traffic. So they say we estimate your approximate earning based on the gigabyte you share with the Honey network. The more you share, the more you earn. So if you're able to share 20 per day, you can make $60 a month. If you're able to share 100 per day, you could make 300 a month. Now, 100 is a lot, but if you're able to do it, if you have super fast internet, stuff like that, then you can make more. So basically, you download the app from the link that I sent you, and I'll show you the back end soon. So basically, what will happen? You get a referral code. You'll be able to share with friends. They'll get $5 to start, just as you will get. They don't get $5 otherwise, so they have incentive to use your referral. So when you use mine, and please do, if possible, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I would really appreciate it, and it helps me to continue making videos like these with no ads. So um, you use the referral, you sign up, it runs in the background, so you make a little money, $50 to $60 a month, and when you refer other people, you can possibly look to make an extra $5 to $10 a month from the people you refer if they use it just as how you use it. It adds up over time, but the main thing is the fact that it's a little bit more of passive income on the side of passive income. It's very worth it. So this is the other end, the back end. It's very simple. I actually have the software on the phone and the tablet. So here you see how much they've gained so far. This is within a 5 hour period. I was just playing like a bunch of games, so I didn't expect it to do much, but now I'm about to go sleep and leave it. In a future video, I'll show you how to get more people and I'll show you how it's done. But I'm thinking for the day, I'll probably end up closer towards 7 to 10 gigs because I'll be using less when I'm at work and stuff, and we'll see how it works out. When you reach $20, you'll be able to take out your money to PayPal, or I think they do direct deposit too. And yeah, you invite friends and you can make money. It's very simple, very simple idea. Do your due diligence. If you don't feel like this is something that will work for you, that's fine. If you feel like it can work for you, definitely download, install it, and just let it run in the background on your phone, your tablet, and or your computer. It adds up. It really does. Um, if you're at work, you could leave this running too. If you leave your work computer on, if you're, especially now where we're in quarantine, a lot of people use their devices a lot more, and you could leave it on if you do. My light bill is about $100 a month, so just running this, it's half of my light bill. It helps. It really helps. So this is where I'm going to leave it off. Thank you again for following the journey. Thank you again for being a part of the family. If you're not, please subscribe. And my website will be back up soon where I will be producing a lot more free, valuable content there. This is just a review of Funny. I would rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. For usability, I'll give it a 9. For convenience, I'll give it a 9. For the potential of how much you can make, I'll probably give it a 6. And that's because you can only make so much and no more. Meaning you could probably end up making 50 to 60 a month realistically. With your referrals though, there is potential, but the average person might not have 1,000 referrals. If you do have 1,000 referrals and they each give you $2 a month from what they make, that's 2,000. It adds up. But if you don't, if you have 10 referrals and they each give you $2, $20, that adds up too. So I have 5 so far, and I don't think I'll have much more. But if you use the link, I would appreciate it. And I'll continue to post more updates, and I'll let you guys know. And I'll probably even give away the first month or something in terms of earnings. But as you can see, it's going up. I'll definitely post more video and updates about this. It's worldwide, so anybody can sign up, no matter where you are. So definitely look into it. Thank you guys for following. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.